Hello again, Derek here from Acterys. And in this video, I want to address a question that inevitably comes up on almost every product demonstration, and that's how can I keep track of who changes what, when, and where? If you remember from my earlier video, we were inside of this pricing application here, and you remember that I was making some changes to some of these product schemes. So if I go in and go ahead and do this, just as a quick example, I'm going to change the number of ZenBook Elites up to 26 units in May. Go ahead and save that change. But let's say we have multiple people working inside of this forecast version, and we want to make sure we know who's changing what and, being able to track where these changes are happening and what changes are being made. Well, we have a solution for that. I'm going to whip up an audit log here, and this is a great way to keep track of not only, what's being changed, but who's changing it, what time was it changed at, what was the previous, value before we made that adjustment, and then, what was the new price. This is a great way to keep track of teams that are, again, working on the same version of data and wanting to be able to see who's changing what, when, making sure that we have everything auditable, governed, and tracked. That's it for that. Just wanted to show another cool use case of how we bring that sort of governable sophistication inside of Power BI. Tune into the next video where I'm going to go through some workflow and user security type questions.